So today I have a patient from my hometown, that is Sungai, Petani, Kedah. So I'd like to thank my patient before I start this to support me all the way from Sungai, Petani to come and do the procedure. So my patient today is young, 27 years old, but unfortunately due to male pattern baldness, he's lost hair all over. If you look at it, there's basically no hair. It's not on any medication. So today my plan is actually to give him back hair. If you look at him, he's got a good donor. So give him back hair that he has lost. He also has a little bit of his own natural hair. That is, we call the mineralization of hair. So together with that, he's going to go on some medication to stop progressive hair loss. Also, not much of a progressive hair loss because he's lost most of the hair. Let's say about 70 to 80%. But he has little bit of 20% of his original hair. That is the mineralization of hair. So together with my transplanted hair and together with his hair that he has now, that will create density and give him back the confidence that he has. So I have done the hairline, a very conservative hairline. If you look like this, still have a lot of hair at his hairline, but still again I will put hair there, so just in case you go to progressive hair loss, you will still have the transplanted hair which is permanent over the hairline. And that's it. And then I'll go to the frontal area, the mid scalp and the crown area. So the way I distribute will be enough for him in case he go progressive hair loss. It will look natural because all the transplanted hair which is permanent will be covering from his hairline up to the crown area. So with this good donor, we're going to do a fully shaven method today. So I like to again thank my patient for coming all the way to support Dr. Inder and the team. And again, thanks to my patient. So my patient is going to go back to Sungai, Kedah, that's my hometown, after doing his hair transplant yesterday. So all the best to him, and I'm going to see him after 1 month. He's going to come back for his follow-up PRP. So there you go. I'm very excited to do for my patient from my hometown. So that's it. Congratulations, you have done it. And thumbs up to my patient, to my team, and to Dr. Inder.